And notice the aircraft is now opening full power. And now the afterburners are engaged. And now call sign Eklavya, piloted by SCON leader Masand. The Rafale aircraft is now lined up for departure. You'll now witness the aircraft getting airborne in less than 500 meters and being combat ready within seconds of leaving the ground.
कॉल साइन एकलव्य रफाल विमान अब उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार है। आक्रामक तरीके से ऊपर चढ़ते हुए यह विमान जमीन छोड़ने के कुछ ही क्षण में युद्ध के लिए तैयार हो जाता है।
And what you just heard was the sound of air dominance. And now from the horizon on your right emerges a bird of steel, a symbol of strength and reliability, Indian Air Force's stalwart, the AN-32 aircraft. Call sign Balram, flown by Group Captain Dagar with Wing Commander Rakshit.
AN-32 विमान भारतीय वायुसेना का वर्कहॉर्स यानी सबसे भरोसेमंद विमान माना जाता है। उत्तर पूर्वी क्षेत्रों में तैनात सुरक्षा बलों को हवाई मदद देता है।
Look at the precision. The pilot is aligning a massive transport aircraft. The wheels touch down and roll down the highway, proving that no place is out of reach of Indian Air Force and Naya Bharat. The reinforcements and support can reach anywhere in the shortest possible time. And now turn your eyes to the skies as the fighters run in from your right. Coming in hot, approaching the Muran Emergency Landing Facility are the mighty Su-30 MKI. Flying in WIC formation, this is the Arjun formation of number 102 Squadron.